Everything is ready to bring.
Wow. Pour info, nous sommes actuellement sur Autopsy Simulator,
Fuck did this? I don't have anything
un jeu d'horreur un
valuable.
peu particulier. Et le personnage principal vient de se faire
They must have stolen the money.
attaquer son appartement, comme vous pouvez le voir. Moi, les photos sont toujours là. Oh là là, tout est en sang dessous.
Fuck. Great. That's all I need. What if it was Red Pete?
Donc là, en fait, il a peur que ce soit une sorte de serial killer qui a...
I need my pills. I can't get my thoughts together.
Il a peur qu'un serial killer soit venu pour l'attaquer dans sa maison. Donc il se sentait observé déjà depuis quelque temps. Il a une sorte de paranoïa qui s'installe.
Okay. I'm gonna
Appelez
have
Steven.
to report this to the police. Christ. Why did the neighbors not report anything? I'm calling Steven.
On va appeler Steven.
Steven?
Now, Jack, I told you I'm going for a drink with you for another night in a row.
That's not why I'm ringing. Although I could do with one. Someone broke into my apartment.
What? Did anyone see anything? Have you called the police yet?
No, I don't think so. Anyway, no one contacted me. As for the police, I'm calling right now, officer.
All right. Do you want me to head around? Look for any trace evidence?
I don't know. No, I guess not. Honestly, I don't have the strength to deal with it right now. I just want to lie down.
Are you sure? Because it's no trouble at all.
I think so. I'm sorry. I just wanted to calm down a bit. I don't know. That's probably some stupid joke. Only money was stolen.
Money? From Alice's box? Oh, fuck. Listen, I can come over. I have the key. I'll drop by, do what I need to do, and you go get some sleep.
No, don't trouble yourself. Lately, I've been just so tired and distracted.
C'est bon pour le son du jeu, hein.
Maybe I forgot to close the apartment door on my way to work.
Ça m'étonnerait,
If
on n'a
anything
pas.
else is missing, I'll let you know and call the police.
All right. Just make sure you close it tonight. If you see anything weird tomorrow, let me know. Whoever did this may be watching you.
I don't think anyone is dumb enough to come back.
You're probably right. Take care, Jack. If you need anything, call me.
I promise I will. Thanks, Steven. Sorry to bother you again. I've just been all over the place lately.
It's not a problem. Good night, Jack.
Good night.
Je sais pas, j'ai pas confiance en son pote Steven. J'ai l'impression que son pote Steven, il a dit il a les clés. Il a les clés et il savait exactement... What the...
What? I guess I should clean this shit up.
Ouais, on va devoir ranger.
Where to
Au moins, il y a des
start?
trucs qui sont pas tombés, hein. Comment on range?
Shit. The glass in this thing needs to be replaced.
Ah bah oui, ça a été brisé. Purée, le pauvre.
Jack, why?
I think I'm just tired. To be honest, I could leave it like this. There you go.
Le canapé, on le met pas en place?
I still don't understand why Alice liked this painting so much.
J'adore que pour ranger, tu ranges pas les trucs principaux. Genre, j'aurais rangé le canapé en premier, tu vois. Première chose que j'aurais remis en place.
Maybe I could barricade the door with this. I should pack this thing away. I have no interest in DIY at the moment. Now I'm sure I won't get caught up in these papers. Alice's family should really have some of these. That's enough for now. Jeez, I'm exhausted. I'll get the rest in the morning. It seems like the burglar wasn't looking for anything here. Actually, I'm not surprised. What a mess. Now if only I could blame this on the burglars.
Alors, il y avait quand même déjà du bordel dans sa maison avant même que les cambrioleurs arrivent. Hein. C'est le matin. Regardez ce fameux plat de nouilles spaghetti aux boules de viande qui est toujours là, les amis.
Oh yeah, I should take my pills.
C'est plusieurs jours après parce que quand je suis parti dormir, c'était pas comme ça.
I feel like it takes me forever to finish these things. That's enough. It will never look clean. I need to quickly change and finish getting ready. I'm gonna be late for work again.
On sent un peu le mec en dépression quand même, hein. Je me suis changé et maintenant on va aller au boulot. Et cette fois-ci, on va bien vérifier qu'on ferme la
Remember to
porte.
close the door properly, Jack. I'll ask the neighbors tomorrow if they saw anything suspicious.
Bah là, on n'a pas fermé la porte, mais bon, voilà, genre, c'est dans la tête.
I wonder if Ridley fixed the coffee machine.
Il se passe des choses en fait dans le jeu, hein. Il y a un oiseau.
What?
Il y a un oiseau qui s'est pris la vitre. Est-ce que vous pensez qu'on peut prendre l'escalier au lieu de prendre l'ascenseur? Oh mon dieu! Tout est fermé ici, d'accord. Je prends l'escalier juste pour voir s'il y a quelque chose de différent. J'aimerais bien voir les étages. En vrai, c'est un étage où il y a des enfants, apparemment. Qui est écrit sur les murs, etc. Ici. Et c'est le rez-de-chaussée ici. Oh, je peux voir toutes les portes ici, attendez. Ça, c'est la porte normale. Je sais pas pourquoi on sort par derrière à chaque fois. Donc lui, il va travailler le soir, en fait. Quand le soleil est presque en train de se coucher. Eh bien, on va aller au boulot. Et le boulot, c'est la nuit, tu vois.
Maybe a bit optimistic. I'd better grab a coffee on the way.
Ok, super. Là, on arrive.
I'm exhausted. I wonder who Stephen brought in today. Good morning, Mr. Ridley. Oh,
Et voilà.
he's not here yet? No, I'll do without him.
Peter the Red. C'est lui qu'on cherche. Retourner la clé du basement. Handman, si tu lèves encore la salle d'autopsie en bordel et rentres chez toi, je mets tout dans ta voiture et je te le promets.
Oh, come on. He was too lazy to even wheel the gurney to the autopsy room.
Apparemment, ouais. Wow. J'ai entendu ces rires, c'était pas sympa.
Almost there.
Donc les rires c'est pour moi, c'est ça?
Now for the tough part. The body needs to be moved. Where's Ridley when you need him? All right. I just need some gloves and my apron. Then I can get to work.
Ok, on va mettre son tablier. Et les gants.
I'm going to need my tape recorder for this.
Ah, mais il est là, putain, je suis trop bête.
Autopsy dated November 22nd, 1991. 7:32 p.m. Led by Dr. Jack Hanman. I begin by verifying the identity of the Jane Doe.
Jane Doe.
It's most likely Harper Lloyd, age 35, found in a well-owned house by her neighbors Leonard and Dorothy Chelsea.
Oh mon dieu.
Reported missing for a week.
Elle a disparu pendant une semaine. Dans un...
Firefighters found the body after the Chelsea family began complaining that their tap water tasted
Ah,
strange.
l'eau avait un
And
goût
at
bizarre
one
et
point,
c'est normal parce qu'il y avait un
began
mort
to
dedans.
smell and turn a dark color.
Ah. Oh, vous vous rendez compte qu'ils ont bu... Oh, vous vous rendez compte qu'ils ont bu de l'eau, du jus de cadavre?
It is also known that the deceased was diagnosed with affective bipolar disorder. Harper was placed on drug therapy, which she dropped out of fairly regularly. During her treatment, she was under the care of her common-law partner, Richard Benson. professional truck driver.
Mhm.
The last person who had contact with the deceased was her partner. Harper's last message read as follows. I'm gonna take a shit in their stupid well. Then we'll see who has the last laugh.
Oh mon dieu.
Nice one.
D'accord, donc elle a vraiment essayé, elle est partie chier dans le puits et elle est tombée.
Police records also show that Mrs. Lloyd was in constant conflict with her neighbors. The constant parties and subsequent brawls made living in the area nearly impossible, especially when Lloyd's partner wasn't around. I proceed to open the bag. The most important task in forensic identification of a drowned person is to distinguish whether the death occurred before or after entering the water.
Ça va être horrible, je pense.
Okay, that could have been worse.
Ok, ça aurait pu être pire
I
apparemment.
carefully removed
Ça
the
va, elle est
victim's
juste gonflée un
clothes
peu,
so
tu
as
vois.
not to damage the skin. The deceased was fat. One shoe was missing. I'm going to
Merde,
use the camera to
j'esquive
document
le...
all possible suspicious marks.
Attends, faut faire les photos avant, frérot, non? Alors, ouais, vous avez vu que ça, vous avez vu comment je suis un
Definitely
professionnel
the first
maintenant?
thing that stands out is the very advanced post-mortem gigantism. The skin of the deceased appears very delicate, smooth, and relaxed from being in the water for a long time. The whole body is extremely pale. There are bruises and hemorrhages on the neck. These usually occur due to increased inhalation when fighting to breathe underwater.
La décoloration de la peau est bizarre,
Post-mortem
non?
markings are seen on the underside of the body. That is, on the back, thighs, and calves of the deceased.
J'ai pas vu le film de requin dans la Seine, non, mais ça a l'air d'être incroyable ce film.
It's likely that the deceased was lying on her back when she was fished out.
La semelle de ses pieds est tout fripée, c'est normal par rapport, par rapport à l'eau.
Washerwoman's skin on the feet.
La peau des pieds
Deceased
macérée.
had indeed been in the water for a long time.
Ça c'est quand tu prends un bain un peu trop longtemps, et ben ça arrive, ton pied ressemble à ça. Ça c'est moi quand je sors de la baignoire.
The skin on the hands can be easily separated from the body. The separation takes the form of a glove.
Oh, elle avait un gant avant. Le fait qu'il manque un œil, c'est pas un truc ça? Non. En tout cas, elle a vomi quelque chose apparemment. Le ventre est très gonflé. Ah, sous l'arme, sous le...
There are some obvious scratches on the skin.
Ah, j'avais pas vu. Sur le bras, en fait, il y a des égratignures. Ça va sentir, ouais. Joyeux anniversaire, merci Vels. Bon, épingler les photos au tableau. Donc maintenant, je vais épingler les photos ici. Hop, 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 hop.
So, after the preliminary exam, it's time to take a closer look at this.
Réaliser l'autopsie. Bon, bah c'est parti, les amis. Quand il faut y aller,
Today's date, the deceased was clothed.
et t'es habillé.
Rigor mortis does not need to be checked. Based on the state of decay, you can be sure it has subsided.
D'accord. On n'a pas besoin de vérifier que son corps est bien rigide parce que on sait que ça fait longtemps qu'elle est dans l'eau. Examine les zones d'intérêt avec la loupe, hein, comme d'habitude. On utilise la loupe et on va regarder.
Yes, we see thick white foam in the mouth of the deceased, resulting from pulmonary edema. Foam is a characteristic in deaths due to drowning.
Et ça, c'est sa langue. Hein.
There are obvious scratches on the skin, especially on the back and hands. These could be defensive wounds, evidence of some sort of altercation prior to death.
D'accord.
The spots have a purplish blue-red hue,
Ça, c'est
which
bizarre.
is a typical sign of the death of the organism.
D'accord. Apparemment, c'est typique. Bon, genre, pour moi, je trouvais ça bizarre, mais
No
c'était typique.
obvious signs of struggle. The skin on the hands would have easily peeled away from the flesh. Some of the fingers have already lost their nails.
D'accord. Ah, c'est dégueulasse. Franchement, c'est pas un métier facile.
Yep, pretty typical. Liver mortis are formed as a result of putrefaction of blood in the veins.
C'est vraiment un métier compliqué, je pense.
was
Hein.
wearing shoes all the time. Her feet are in better condition than her hands. Nevertheless, we can still notice a clear, wavy skin and the so-called washerwoman's skin texture. Okay, that's probably enough to indicate a direction for further examination. I'd better note that down in the records. Those abrasions appear relatively fresh. No healing or scarring is visible. Marks found on the neck and foaming at the mouth are typical signs of drowning people. There doesn't seem to be anything unusual about this livor mortis. Diffuse spots are caused by blood rotting in the veins. Considering the deceased's penchant for drinking alcohol, it could have been a mere accident. Hands heavily
On va
wrinkled
mettre
from
encore alcool
submersion
sur
in
le...
water,
L'alcool,
typical
c'est toujours un
skin.
problème apparemment, donc c'est toujours un des trois qui va arriver. Possible cause du décès.
Maybe it's just abrasion. Or
Quelqu'un l'a
maybe
peut-être
the
poussé.
result of a fight and being pushed into a well. In this case, the question is, was drowning
Est-ce qu'elle a
an
été
accident
noyée ou elle est morte
or
avant d'être lancée dans le
suicide
puits? C'est ça la vraie question.
Their distribution suggests that the victim was probably lying on her back when fished out of the water. Livor mortis of a different color could indicate poisoning with carbon monoxide, cyanides, or nitrates. However, this is not the case here. A simple trip, loss of balance, and as a result, you end up in a deep hole with no way out. Fortunately, the skin on the hands didn't fall off. Otherwise, I'd have trouble identifying the deceased. That's all for now.
Ok, super.
Before I begin the dissection, I'll make sure the suggested identity is correct.
Comment je fais? Je prends ses empreintes?
The suitcase with the fingerprint equipment should be around here somewhere.
Ah. C'est vrai que le couteau n'a jamais été nettoyé, il est toujours sale. Alors, la mallette. Alors, c'est là peut-être? Nope. On a un... Ah, c'est ça.
Here it is. With decomposing bodies, the tissue of the pads and the fingers tends to shrink. To remove these shrinkages, a mixture of glycerin or air is used.
D'accord.
If the body of the deceased is well preserved, fingerprinting is similar to that of a living person. The fingerprint sheet should always be checked. Slipping fingers, too much or too little ink, or inaccurate hand position can make fingerprints illegible.
J'adore les détails qu'il donne, quoi. C'est assez incroyable.
I'm going to conduct a dactyloscopic examination. If in fact the deceased is in the police database, I will find her. Glycerin is injected successively between the nail and the skin of each finger. The substance then enters the fingertip, removing shrinkage and wrinkles.
D'accord, comme les doigts sont ratatinés parce qu'elle était morte et surtout plongée dans l'eau, il utilise une espèce de mélange de glycérine qui va permettre de redynamiser la peau pour pouvoir avoir les empreintes digitales. C'est quoi le but du jeu? Bah tu es médecin légiste et tu dois trouver la raison pour laquelle les gens sont morts.
Only when the skin is taut and elastic can you use ink. I think it's enough.
Ok, c'est bon, j'ai mis de l'encre partout.
In the case of drowning victims, you have to be extremely careful. The skin may fall off the hand like a glove when you take the print.
Ok, nickel, laissez le corps.
I'll use the fax machine to add the print into the system. Green button, and...
Allez, on faxe ça!
Once the data uploads, I'll run the prints against the police database on the computer.
Comparer les compositions sur ordinateur à l'aide de la base de données.
Great. The data is there.
Nouvelles données déchargées. Ah, c'est Windows 91, les gars.
Now, go through the database and find a matching print.
Faites glisser tous les points de comparaison.
One more. Okay. Let's check for matches.
Aucune correspondance.
This is not our Jane Doe. I wish there was an easier way to do this.
Bah c'est lui, hein.
One more. Analyze button.
Allez, un match. Yes, on a un résultat. Le jeu est très beau graphiquement, oui. Il est magnifique. Hein. Mais il est très très bizarre et malaisant, je trouve. Mais j'étais vachement intéressé par ce truc. C'est bien Harper Lloyd.
The deceased turned out to be Harper Lloyd. That went smoothly. I'll print this out and attach it to the medical records.
Et l'imprimante. Et là.
Great. Now I can go back to my inspection.
Confirmer l'identité de la défunte.
Some of my previous cases, a reminder of more prosperous times.
Alors, je peux se mettre ça là-dessus, je suppose. Non, c'est bon. Reprendre l'autopsie.
I'm adding the name of the deceased. I'll start the internal examination by taking fluid from the victim's brain. A needle
d'hab.
inserted through the nose will do the trick.
D'accord.
If the victim was alive when she fell into the well, she must have swallowed water fighting for her life. And then diatoms, characteristics of pooled water like a well, got in. In the meantime, I'll check the sample under the microscope. I'm sure that these algae traces will be found in the samples taken.
Je dois vérifier la présence de diatomées.
body.
C'est super complet, quoi.
Now I
C'est
need to
insane.
adjust the knobs properly and place the diet. I won't even notice an army of diatoms from. It's not a dirty lens, I'm afraid, but rather a bad focus. And perfect.
Ah bon?
Great. This way I'll see if I'm dealing with the aperture still need. Oh, no. I'm finally starting to see something here.
Ah, il parle vite, en fait, par rapport à ce que je fais.
Nah, no. I'm finally starting to see something here.
Je suis perdu un petit peu sur ce que je dois faire. La lumière est trop vive. En fait, pour vous, oui, mais pour moi, non. En fait, en gros, si vous voulez, le jeu, avec la capture OBS, ça rend l'image un peu plus floutée, je suppose. Mais c'est pas le cas. Il voit blanc. Moi, je vois des trucs, là. Hein. Ce que je vois, ce que vous voyez, c'est pas la même chose. Mais par contre, je sais pas ce que je dois chercher. Hein. Ah!
As expected, we find the aforementioned algae in the solution. Their upper part, Epitheca, which overlaps the lower, Hypotheca, is clearly visible.
Donc j'ai trouvé une
The
sorte de
presence of
bactérie, on va
diatoms
dire.
in the
Hein.
brain
Une sorte
samples
d'algue.
taken indicate that the deceased was certainly alive when she fell into the water.
Donc elle était vivante
and was
lorsqu'elle est tombée dans le
possibly
puits.
conscious.
Et probablement consciente. J'ai peur quand on va ouvrir son ventre. Hein.
Since there were diatoms in the brain, it means that many more of them must have entered the body. Studies of the rest of the organs will most likely confirm this hypothesis.
Ok, super.
I can finally get to the practical part.
Hop,
I must be extra careful because the skin of the deceased is very stretched. I wouldn't want an explosion here.
Ah, ça peut exploser?
You can
Yeah.
immediately see a very large swelling of the organs. In addition, all internal organs are very congested. I proceed to remove the rib cage. It's easy to see that the ribs have been imprinted in the lungs.
Ouais, ouais.
I'm going to start by drawing blood from the lungs for testing for diatoms. If diatoms were only present in the lungs, this would mean that the victim was placed in the well after death, and the perpetrator wanted to get rid of the corpse in this way.
D'accord.
Now, I remove the lungs and proceed to taking the lungs in my hand. I feel that the tissues have lost their elasticity, which is the result of water emphysema. In addition, there is significant swelling of the organs, and as a result, we have a
Comme les
nice
baleines qui
imprint of
explosent lorsqu'elles sont
ribs.
mortes. Ouais, ouais, j'imagine.
Emphysema itself, it's clear how far it's progressed, which is characteristic of drowning.
Ok. C'est caractéristique.
Corpses found in water are worth examining with a tomograph. However, I can't count on such luxuries, so
tomograph?
I must reach for a more archaic technology. A bucket and water.
Hein? Dans le storage room, je dois chercher un seau et de l'eau. Parce que j'ai pas... Ah!
Has anyone been here? I hope no one dipped a mop in it. It's best to go to the lab for this.
Ok. Les gars, il y avait quelqu'un qui me regardait par la porte. Vous l'avez vu ou pas? Il y avait quelqu'un qui me regardait par la porte. Le laboratoire, il a dit. Un test d'immersion.
Historically, the lung float test is used to detect infanticide.
Hmm. Oh, pas ici? Ah, ici.
The water should be at room temperature. That's enough. To test for this, I have to place the lungs in a container of water. This checks if there is air in the lungs. And speaking of lungs, everything is ready to bring... Jesus.
Wow! Hello? Madame, faut rester...
Of
Faut rester
course,
morte, hein?
such a study isn't without flaws. Air may have entered a newborn's airways during resuscitation attempts. Gas is released during decomposition. In this case, however, it's about something else. Namely, the amount of fluid in the lungs.
Donc en fait,
To
nous on
test
va
for
devoir
this,
voir
I have to place the
mettre des
lungs
poumons
in a
dans
container of
de l'eau
water
pour voir...
and wait to see if they fall or if they will float on the surface.
Ok. Donc on prend les poumons. Est-ce qu'ils flottent? Ils flottent très bien. Non, ils coulent.
Just as I assumed, the lungs collapsed easily.
N'empêche que c'est vraiment des connaissances de ouf de savoir tout ça. Hein. Genre de savoir
Fluid could
que
have
si
entered
tu mets
the
des
lungs during
poumons,
panic attempts to catch breath
du liquide a pu
underwater, but
entrer.
it could also be the result of bacterial infections or cancer.
Ou un cancer.
So further investigation is needed.
D'accord. Donc là maintenant on va les couper et voir
I'll
l'intérieur
move
du
on to
poumon.
dissecting the lungs of the deceased. You can hear the distinct, very unpleasant crackling of the tissues being cut through.
Oups.
The
C'est bon,
parenchyma
j'ai
is
réussi.
remarkably pale, although small hemorrhagic foci and petechia are present on the surface.
D'accord.
All right. Now, I will check the collected fluid under a microscope. If we find 20 diatoms on the slide, it can be considered drowning, and our result is not false positive due to possible contaminations.
D'accord. C'est incroyable. Genre j'ai vraiment l'impression d'apprendre des trucs. J'espère que c'est... J'espère que le jeu n'est pas menteur, tu vois.
The aperture still needs adjustment. Oh,
Ok, j'en ai.
as expected. In solution, the diatoms are clearly visible. There are smaller and larger clusters of them. There will definitely be more than 20 of them.
Ok. T'as trouvé 20 diatomes.
I'll make a note of all this.
Reprendre l'autopsie.
So far, this case looks pretty standard. It's clear from the beginning that it's drowning. Well, the procedure requires me to
Il
check
passe son temps à
everything
soupirer
anyway.
le mec en mode... genre y a rien... En fait il est vraiment en dépression je crois. Il soupire pour tout et pour rien tu vois.
So, I move on to checking the other organs. I ligate the heart, and then remove it for inspection. Strongly developed putrefactic hemolysis. The
Une
organ
hémolyse
can be
et
seen at
putréfaction,
first glance.
putréfaction
Apart
avancée.
from that, no signs of a heart attack or other heart disease.
D'accord. Cœur sans trace de maladie, hémolyse et putréfaction avancée du fait de la noyade.
I move on to the next organ. This time, it's the liver. It's
Ah.
immediately apparent that the deceased
inflammation, quand
didn't
même.
care for herself. Like most organs, her liver is enlarged and severely congested.
Ouais.
The beginnings of cirrhosis are visible in some areas.
Début de cirrhose parce qu'elle buvait trop d'alcool.
I transfer the organ to a board and proceed to dissect.
Hop. C'est le parti plus difficile et technique. Hein. Pas toucher les rebords.
The
C'est bon.
cross-section clearly shows dilated veins and many small hemorrhagic foci.
Il y a des foyers hémorragiques.
I must admit that this is quite a feat, considering the rather young age of the deceased.
D'accord. Elle avait vraiment un foie dégueulasse, malgré le fait qu'elle soit super jeune.
Harper enjoyed drinking so much that she might not have lasted a few more years.
Durcissement du foie avec veine dilatée, cirrhose alcoolique. Apparemment, elle aurait pas survécu de toute façon.
I move on to the stomach. I take a sample of the fluid for testing.
Donc on va retester ça au microscope encore et voir s'il y a...
It looks very turbid. I'll see what happens after spinning, but that's in a moment. Now, I carefully ligate the organ, then cut it off. It's
Il est
enlarged,
d'une couleur bizarre.
probably full of putrid gases. I transfer it to the board and carefully open it.
Estomac
checking the
dilaté
contents.
et tissu irrité. Donc on va devoir découper l'estomac et voir ce qu'il y a là-dedans. Ok. Ah. C'est vraiment pas un métier de rêve hein, pour moi.
One thing you'd never get used to is how much this desk smells.
Ok d'accord, il parle de l'odeur. Et là tu te rends compte... Parce que là on est dégoûté juste par le visuel. Mais lui, il y a l'odeur, tu vois. Et puis OMG, tu découpes un corps humain quoi.
Okay, the stomach is full of fluid and unidentified organic matter, which is probably leftover food.
Ok.
So let's check the diatoms. Again.
Again.
A centrifuge for a change. The problem with examining drowned people is being able to show whether the death was due to drowning or whether something else contributed.
Donc j'ai
to the
cherché mon
death.
carnet parce qu'il se
Cramp,
connaît toujours pas les
heart
chiffres.
attack, drugs, homicide, or some accident. Such an analysis requires viewing from different angles and a careful interpretation of the collected data, including those from the field. That's why it's so important to collect as many samples as possible. Unfortunately.
Malheureusement. J'ai entendu des bruits chelous en fait. Je sais pas s'il y a des choses que je dois chercher ailleurs en plus en faisant mon travail, tu sais. Parce qu'on a vu certainement beaucoup de fantômes.
Okay. This is one last little sample.
C'est perturbant mais intéressant. C'est ça en fait, c'est perturbant mais c'est super intéressant. Je trouve que le jeu il est intriguant, tu vois. Alors, hop. Présence de diatomes. C'est 35 minutes, 25% et 3 mm. 35 minutes et 25%. J'arrive pas à... Attends. Ah, parce qu'il faut que je mette dedans?
Now set.
35 minutes. Et... 25%. C'est 25, 35. Est-ce que le courant va couper encore? Parce qu'à chaque fois que j'utilise ce truc-là, le courant a tendance à couper. Ouais, 35 minutes, par contre, c'est passé super vite, hein. Ça va, en vrai, aujourd'hui, hein.
Done. I'll run it directly into the chromatograph and run it against the data from the police.
Le
I'm
chromatographe.
certain the analysis will show similarities between the fluid and water in Chelsea's well.
Allez, au laboratoire. Dans le chromatographe. Vanity57, merci au top pour les 4 mois d'abonnement. C'est très gentil. Merci du fond du cœur. Du coup, on est au chromatographe et on va aller analyser avec la seringue. Et je crois que c'est un prélèvement de 3 mm.
3 milliliters should be fine.
Un, 2, 3. Ok. On active le... Action. On met dedans. Et on appuie. Ah, et on lâche.
Okay.
Voilà.
Now it's the chromatograph's turn.
Placer échantillon récupéré dans le chromatographe. Hop. Je sais pas si ça marche comme ça, hein, mais écoute. Millilitres! À chaque fois, c'est dingue! Laissez-moi tranquille! Laissez-moi tranquille! Ça change rien! Ça change rien! Vous avez compris! Oh mon dieu!
Yes. The water sample matches the one provided by the police.
Ok.
Well, The results are quite clear. I was hoping it would be a more interesting case.
Donc il s'en fout en fait, il est en mode oh c'est un peu nul quoi. Je dois faire quoi maintenant? Estomac irrité, estomac dilaté avec des tissus irrités.
Analysis indicates the same origin.
Il y a du fluide ainsi qu'une matière organique non digérée, pas de sang ni de drogue détectée. C'est juste qu'elle a vraiment essayé de chier dans le puits et elle est tombée.
There's little left to do. I'm going to check the airway patency of the deceased. Interesting. Looks like there's something stuck in the trachea. I'm moving to the board for further inspection.
Oh, il y a quelque chose coincé dans le... dans la trachée.
I dissect the trachea and open the organ.
Je pense qu'en tant que docteur légiste, tu dois vraiment tout documenter comme ça à chaque fois.
Inside,
Il y a une bague?
I find a wedding ring. This is interesting. Let me look at it. Based on the size, I can say that it's a woman's wedding ring.
9-13-80.
Inside, there's an engraving inside.
Le 13 septembre.
What the fuck? But this is my ring. Alice's ring. But how did it, but this should be at home. I have it. At home. It's, I have to check this out. Where are my meds? Where the fuck are my meds? Huh?
Je sais pas qu'est-ce qu'il a crié, ça m'a fait peur.
Jesus Christ! Hope these all make it go away. I have to check the apartment. It can't be. Jesus Christ!
Il va laisser le corps comme ça?
Mr. Ridley. Mr. Ridley!
What's all the ruckus?
I need to go home. Immediately.
What? Now?
I have to. Have you seen anyone here this morning? Anybody suspicious?
No, there was no one. Dorothy was, but only for a moment, then she left. What's wrong with you, Hammond?
Okay. Thanks.
What about the corpse?
I'll come back, I promise. Jesus Christ!
Alors pourquoi le personnage s'affole? C'est parce qu'il a trouvé la bague de sa femme? C'est normal que la musique continue constamment? C'est normal que la musique continue sans s'arrêter en fait depuis le début de la partie? Je trouve que c'est bizarre, non? Et donc ouais, il a trouvé l'alliance de sa femme dans la trachée de ce personnage-là.
This can't be real. Where is it? Where is it? Where?
Attends, quelqu'un est venu à la maison, hein. C'est pas là.
It's not here. It's not. I need to go.
Oh mon dieu, regardez là-bas. Il y a quelqu'un qui nous regarde sur le balcon au fond. Donc je vais appeler Steven.
This is sick. Fuck. Come on, Steven. Pick up the fucking phone.
Hey. What's up, man?
They took the ring.
What? What ring? What are you talking about?
They took the wedding ring. Alice's wedding ring.
One sec. You mean burglary? You said nothing was missing.
Yes, I know that. I don't know. I was jittering. Maybe I didn't notice. I don't know, but that's not the worst of it.
Calm down, Jack. Breathe. What happened?
I found it
in the trachea of the deceased I was working on. Do you understand? I pulled it out of a dead woman's trachea!
What?
I don't know what's going on. You think Red Pete wants revenge? He's playing with me. Huh? I knew it. I knew it from the beginning this was going to
Il n'y a
happen.
plus rien dans la
I
boîte. Alors...
didn't make it up!
Jack,
Il va pas bien du tout.
listen to me. Try to calm down. Don't leave the apartment. I'll be with you right away, okay? I'm on my way.
What sane person would do something like that? How? And when? When the fuck? Fucking Ridley lets in whoever he likes as usual. What are you saying? Steve? Steven? Don't leave me, man. Come on. Fuck.
Il est plus là.
Oh, God, what now? Okay, just calm down. Just, Jesus. What's going on?
Il y a rien dans son verre. Il boit rien du tout.
Just one sip more. Yep. Jesus. Just one sip more. Oh, God.
Terminé le chapitre 2. Chapitre 2 terminé, les gars. Chapitre 3. Chapitre 2 est très spécial.
All right. I can't do it anymore. These reports will kill me one day. I'll have to finish it over the weekend. It's time to go to work. I should take out the trash first. Jesus. Fuck. Maybe I'll just ignore it.
Non, je réponds.
Yes.
Hi, this is Charlotte. I guess I interrupted you again?
Mhm.
Oh, hi. No, I just... I wrote reports in those last sections, and I was just about to leave for work.
I always know when to call.
Yeah, definitely. What's up? How are you?
I'm good, thanks. What about you?
Okay, nothing new. I had a few days off.
Oh, that's nice. Then... Did you have a moment to look for something for me?
Hein?
Something for you?
Well... the photo with
Mais je te l'ai envoyé.
photo I asked you for?
It hasn't come yet? Oh, sorry, but I said it a week ago.
No, not yet. Maybe I'm too impatient. Sorry for rushing you. You have so much on your mind, I thought maybe you forgot.
It's okay. No worries. With my pills, Pills. I almost forgot to take my pills. So you see,
Yeah.
I have to go
La
now.
conversation est
Yes.
tellement gênante.
Yes, sure.
Let me know if you still haven't received the letter. Then I'll try... well, maybe I'll find something else.
Well, really? Could you? That... It would be great if you could. Really?
Yes. I know it means a lot to you.
Well, I won't hold you any longer. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Damn. Did I mess up the address?
Attends, je vais juste voir si je l'ai bien envoyé en fait.
How am I gonna get those pills?
Tout à l'heure, dans cette boîte-là, il n'y avait plus rien pendant la cinématique. Donc il a failli oublier ses pilules, mais il voulait qu'on sorte les poubelles aussi. Et quelles poubelles? Parce que... Pourquoi c'est là, ça? Pourquoi ça s'assit à colonne vertébrale et dans le salon, dans la cuisine?
Maybe I should do something yourself.
Il y a un truc avec les... il y a vraiment un truc avec les pilules, je crois. Les poubelles sont là. Non? Sortir les poubelles. Il y a plein de poubelles là, c'est pas ça? Ah, non, c'est celle-là. Ok, d'accord.
Ugh. Why is it so wet? Ugh. I shouldn't be this tired.
Imagine on le drogue. Y a rien qui va en fait, hein. Dans toutes les poubelles.
Fucking hell!
Putain. Wow! Mais j'étais un peu trop relax, je crois, pour ce jeu là. Comment je fais? Ah, comme ça? J'ai jeté la poubelle comme ça.
Disgust me.
Hein?
I wonder if Alice's mother has a film of this photo somewhere. I actually hadn't thought about it before.
Il y a un mec qui a dit que je le dégoûte. Apparemment, je dégoûte quelqu'un.
I should call her on Friday.
Ouais, il y a 5 sacs de poubelle dans le salon, dans le salon, mais il en jette qu'une seule. Et celle-là, elle était mouillée. Et il y a une scie à colonne vertébrale dans la cuisine. Je veux dire,
Oh God.
de là à penser
Why
que
do I like sleeping so much?
le mec il fait des trucs un peu chelous.
Huh?
En plus, on commence à avoir.
It's me, Jack.
On commence à avoir des visions, j'ai l'impression. Monsieur?
Good afternoon.
Isn't it a bit early for you?
I missed our invigorating conversations. Has Stephen brought the body?
Yeah, the trolley's in the hall. Maybe wheeling it to the dissection room will be invigorating enough for you.
Waouh.
I've missed. I think I'll get straight to work on this one. Focusing on something will do me some good. Christ, this one's heavy. Hey, Mr. Ridley, I need help. I can't lift this bag myself.
Il s'en bat les couilles, hein, monsieur Ridley. Hein.
Ridley! Ugh, wasn't easy, but at least I can start. A new package must have arrived. I guess Dorothy ordered it. I think I'll skip recording a video for the students today. They don't need to see me and the body. Ugh. And they'll still have
Il a
the
l'air
accompanying
fatigué tout le
photos
temps, il
anyway.
prend trop ses pilules, il a un problème d'alcool, il a des problèmes avec ses souvenirs.
November 27th, 1991, 5:14 p.m. Conducted by Dr. Jack Hanman.
Dr. Jack Hanman.
James Evans Jr., also known as Jesse. Age about 30. Weight
130 kilos.
130 kilograms. Height 180 centimeters. Evans
C'est un
had
prisonnier.
previously been convicted of possession of stolen goods, robberies, and drug trafficking. There were also attempts to accuse him of leading a criminal group responsible for burglaries in the New Orleans area.
D'accord.
What? Burglaries in the New Orleans area?
C'est peut-être son voleur?
This is... It's a rather strange coincidence.
C'est le voleur. En fait, il a peut-être que lorsqu'il se passe quelque chose, il a trouvé le voleur qui lui a volé sa bague et
Police
il l'a
photos
tué
showed
en
that the
vrai.
body was not even particularly hidden, but only covered with a thin layer of soil, branches, and leaves.
Ok, très bien.
The body was found naked and mutilated. Clothes, probably belonging to the deceased, were found lying nearby.
Donc il était tout nu. Purée, c'est un peu comme le cas qu'on avait trouvé dans Alan Wake 2, c'est exactement la même chose.
The body was found inadvertently in the woods near Pete'sville. The dogs picked up the scent while searching for a missing boy.
Ah, oh, d'accord. Putain, ça veut dire qu'ils ont pas trouvé le garçon qui a été kidnappé, mais ils ont trouvé un corps à la place.
The deceased's father, James Evans Sr., is a local businessman. He was the one who reported the disappearance. At the time of the report, his son hadn't been home for 3 days.
D'accord.
Sounds disturbing.
Mhm.
I wonder what condition the body is in then. I'll start by opening the bag.
Pas une bonne condition, je pense. Ah!
Oh, fuck. I didn't expect this level of mutilation. This is going to be a dirty job. I'll check through the bag the police left.
Ah! Le sac que la police a laissé. Ils ont laissé le sac où ça? Ah là. C'est pas mon sachet de poubelle ce matin, ça?
Maybe there will be something worth noting about the victim's clothes. Leather belt. You can plain cotton t-shirt.
Merde, je coupe la question à chaque fois, je suis désolé.
Classic jeans.
C'est bien, il y a du
Dirty
tissu.
and torn. Certainly not my style.
Et l'animation, c'est incroyable.
Traces of blood and plasma. It could have been used to stop or reduce bleeding. Oh. After all, what else could I
Ah, il y avait de la drogue dedans.
expect? Weird. Interesting. Most of the blood is visible, mainly traces of soil. It's a bit like the perpetrator's pulled his shirt over his head.
Dans sa poche, y'a rien? Je vois une petite poche là. Examinez, soyez. C'est quoi ça?
Something stuck here. It looks like some kind of ectasis.
Écaille?
Scale. This could point to an animal being responsible.
What? Bah attends, quel animal peut arracher la tête de quelqu'un comme ça?
The bloodstains don't appear to be related to any injuries on the body. The deceased must have been unclothed before he was injured. A lighter, engraved with the police insignia. Stolen? Or maybe purchased from a pawn shop? It looks somehow... it's probably a coincidence.
Pour un
Traces
partenaire, hein.
of dirt mixed with blood and rubbed leaf litter. Evans must have been crawling, or was dragged along the ground.
D'accord. J'ai vu la poche. Et dans les poches, ça c'est quoi?
And here, another animal souvenir.
C'est quoi?
It looks different than the previous one.
Une carapace de tortue?
The only thing I can tell from the clothes is that before his death, Evans had either... Okay.
Putain, il faut pas qu'il coupe la conversation quand j'appuie sur un bouton, c'est chiant. Genre j'ai cliqué trop vite et du coup je sais pas ce qu'il voulait dire.
She performed an autopsy on an exotic animal smuggler. The guy suffered an accident while transporting illegal animals. Not only were the police needed on site, but it took nearly a day to round up his cargo. Dorothy had a hard time with that case. Did the impact kill him? Or did one of the animals he was transporting do him in? They even talked about it on the news. People were terrified that some reptile would just come out of their can and grab him. Okay, the book.
Mon muffin est plus là, hein. Quelqu'un l'a mangé, hein. Alors... Ah, le livre est là, en gros. Yes. Aller au labo et comparer les écailles avec les exemples de l'encyclopédie. Oh putain. Oh!
Who is this?
Bro! Je pense que ça va pas très bien le monsieur là, il a des petits problèmes hein.
Which page was it?
Regarde, il baille encore, il est fatigué. Alors...
Local wildlife. I bet I'll find something here. Oh, that was quick.
Ouais.
I wouldn't expect anything else.
Bah ouais, ça ressemble à un crocodile, caïman, tout ça, toi-même tu
Not this
sais.
area, but who knows? Nile crocodile. What kind is this? Ah, saltwater. Oh, yes.
Une
This
tortue!
turtle turned out to be a killer. He ripped off the guy's wrist and tore him in a few other places. Aggressive beast.
Ouais, mais attends, ça... Ça ressemble pas à une tortue.
I only need to concentrate on the crocodile chapter.
C'est celui-là.
No way. I would expect something local. I certainly
Une sorte de
don't remember
caïman?
hearing of an animal escaping from the zoo. So, either someone donned in crocodile products was around the deceased, or one of them attacked him. I'll examine the body and take photos. If an animal attacked him, there'll be traces.
Et là, c'est surtout qu'il a plus de tête, tu vois,
Why am
genre...
I so tired? Some coffee would be nice. What was I supposed to... Ah, the pictures. I'll have to show them to Dorothy. Too bad that we no longer keep our ranking. With something like that, I would come out on top. There hasn't been a case like this for a long... Alright, I'll begin. The deceased skin is smooth and taut. This suggests an advanced stage of decomposition of the
Non, c'est pas une
corpse.
tortue alligator, c'est forcément un alligator normal. Il faut qu'il soit vraiment beaucoup plus... Il faut qu'il soit beaucoup plus gros, parce que c'est une tête... Vous avez la taille du gars, enfin c'est pas possible. Ah bah ça a l'air d'être un corps tout bonnement en mauvais état. Il a été mangé, hein.
It's unlikely that a human would make such a wound.
Non. C'est une blessure dégueulasse, parce qu'on voit l'os, hein. Ah, y a pas de tête? On dirait des coups de couteau, là.
Interesting. This needs to be investigated further.
On dirait qu'il a été poignardé, tu sais, et après mangé par une bestiole.
Nasty.
C'est marrant, il a pas de... Il a pas d'easy?
Such a wound could not have occurred during the victim's lifetime.
Ouais, je pense qu'il a dû être mangé par des bestioles après.
Evans
Il a été
couldn't have
attaché.
tied himself up like that. It looks like some sort of attack or kidnapping.
Il a dû être attaché avant. Ça, c'est une morsure d'alligator, par contre.
Oh, and as expected, there's a
Il a
bite.
vraiment été mangé par un alligator, mais c'est post-mortem. Il a été poignardé avant.
No head. That's not hard to miss. This wound appears to have been made by a sharp instrument.
Alors... Un coup il part, un coup il revient et il spam. Oui, bah c'est normal. Genre, on n'a pas à gérer ça, donc c'est son problème. Genre, il y a une façon de se tenir en fait en live et il le fait pas. Donc, tant pis, hein, c'est pas grave. Hein. Ah, regardez sous les pieds aussi, il est attaché.
There are also clear traces of the deceased ankles being bound in some way. I need to gather
Okay.
my thoughts together.
Je vais mettre les
And
photos
look
ici.
at these photos. It seems like torn meat, but I can't tell from the photo what animal did this. I wonder whether the decapitation took place before.
Je savais
or
pas qu'il parlait à
after
chaque
death.
photo en fait. J'ai toujours enchaîné les
Check.
photos. Ah, c'est pas à chaque fois.
I should inspect these areas with a magnifying glass first. The work of animals can be seen here. The question is which ones.
Prendre la photo de la morsure sur le tableau.
This looks very promising. The bite is clearly visible. It should be easy to compare with the encyclopedia
Ah, bah oui.
and identify the culprit. I just need to make it a little bigger. It'll be faster than physically measuring the bite. I hope I put it in right. I can never remember whether it was image up or image down.
C'est bon, c'est dans mon sens.
At university, I didn't have facilities like a fax machine. Everything was done by hand. Ah, fantastic. Practically a one-to-one. Just some tracing paper, a pencil, and
Ça
I
où,
can
hein?
check these in the encyclopedia.
Alors du papier calque. Au bureau Dans le bureau, ouais. N'empêche qu'il passe son temps à faire des
Now,
allers-retours.
did I leave them in a drawer? Or maybe a box somewhere? Ugh. I don't remember if I left them out somewhere.
Putain, c'est là!
Looks like I can
J'avais
tell you about
ouvert
them
en
myself.
plus!
Sometimes.
J'avais ouvert le truc et je suis resté devant. Genre, j'ai pas utilisé. Ah, je suis nul.
A very, nature-driven case so far. I'll have to consult the encyclopedia again. Good thing Dorothy left it here. Otherwise, I would have had to run back to my place to get some.
Ouais, mais je l'ai laissé dans le laboratoire. Attends, comment on fait? Faire glisser l'objet. Clairement, c'est pas ça. C'est... probablement celui-là.
It makes
Hey!
sense. This would also explain the mold found in the clothes. It turns out that some of the wounds can be safely blamed on local alligators. However, we cannot blame them for the decapitation. It's not these animals we should be afraid of here.
C'est le
I should make some
cartel?
notes and start the autopsy.
C'est sûrement le cartel en fait qui a fait ça, les gars. Hein. Alors, on va examiner à la loupe.
And look for other traces using a magnifying glass. It doesn't look good. Evans wasn't decapitated with one cut.
Non. Ça a été limite arraché, tu vois.
Several stab wounds of varying depth and circumference.
Arme blanche.
It looks like the killer might have missed before they finally hit the neck. Mississippi alligator. It's strange that an alligator would leave such a clear and smooth mark.
Comme si c'était fait, genre, pour faire croire que c'était un alligator alors que
Looks
c'était pas le
like
cas.
an uneven bite. It's worth taking a closer look at this. Maybe there will be some remaining teeth marks.
Ok, faudra que j'analyse tout ça. Là.
The result of an animal tearing at its body, eaten skin, soft tissues, and genitals. There are even some teeth marks, but... well, it doesn't look like an alligator. The bite is firmly incorporated into the wound. A photo alone won't help me here. I need to make a cast and compare it.
On doit faire un moulage.
The imprints are quite deep and even. From the looks of it, I'd say Evans was restrained with his own belt.
Donc c'est la ceinture qui a servi.
Evans' right side must have been more attractive to the crocs and insects.
J'avoue.
Very strong binding marks. You can see peeled epidermis and small wounds. There's no end to playing zoologist today.
Alors, qu'est-ce que je dois faire?
I need a tool with dental
Ah,
impression cement.
moulage en
Can I
silicone.
find
Cherche le
it
pistolet
here?
à silicone dans le labo.
No. It's probably lying somewhere around in the lab. I hope the
Ooh.
cement hasn't expired.
Il est là.
A month after the due date. That could be worse.
Ça marche quand même? J'avais pas vu qu'il y avait un... Ok, y a rien là. J'avais pas vu qu'il y avait des placards là, que je pouvais ouvrir. Créer un moulage autour de laine. Donc je peux utiliser le pistolet.
Now I need to cover the bite area. Wait until it hardens.
Comment tu peux faire ce genre de choses et te bailler et tout? C'est prêt.
The cast looks quite contaminated from the other wounds in that area.
Oui, mais c'est quasiment la même taille de morsure.
Well, let's hope the imprint turns out better.
Alors, pour les empreintes, hein. Pour être sûr que ce soit lui.
Brush, ink, and paper. Similar to taking fingerprints.
T'inquiète pas, t'es gratté. Ah. D'accord, ok, je pensais que je le faisais sur le...
Paint over the area. And put a piece of paper on it.
Ah ouais, donc on prend pas le truc, hein, on prend le papier qu'on met dessus, tu vois.
Ah, that's very
Oh,
strange.
c'est humain ça par contre.
I'll run it through the facts and check it on the computer. I really don't want to believe what I'm seeing.
Attends, il y a un humain qui l'a arraché son sexe avec sa bouche? Comparer la morsure et dans la base de criminels.
Loading. Ugh.
Il arrête pas de bailler le mec. Mec, on va trouver que c'est quelqu'un d'humain, tu vas voir.
Wow. This is, well, this is quite unexpected. Human teeth.
Mhm.
Oh, fuck. I need to tell this to Steven.
Mhm. J'ai vraiment l'impression de faire un travail de flic, les gars. Je crois que c'est ça.
Loading.
Je fais un travail de flic, les gars. Je suis un vrai flic, hein.
Loading. It'll probably take a
Ah,
while.
ok. Analyse. Et ça y ressemble, mais c'est pas ça. Vous vous rendez compte quand même qu'au niveau des dents, on est... on a chacun, on va dire, vraiment une implantation dentaire très unique. C'est les dessous d'Alan Wake, c'est ça en fait. Et après, il y a Saga qui va partir à la chasse aux fantômes. Oh!
What?
J'ai eu la photo, c'est la photo de sa femme et sa copine.
May match several people. Okay, this one is in prison, so he's out. Another in prison. Oh.
Condamné
here's
pour
someone
vente de
with
stupéfiants.
Quite interesting tendencies. Oh, he's dead. It doesn't fit. This one doesn't either. I'm
Arrêté.
afraid this will
Condamné pour trafic
remain a
d'organes,
mystery.
en prison incarcéré,
The killer's
libéré le
profile
3.
is getting more and more interesting.
Arrêté pour ne pas avoir rendu une cassette vidéo, incarcéré le 5, libéré le 3. The fuck? Meurtre avec cannibalisme. Profanation de cadavres. Vente de stupéfiants. Non mais attends, comment ça il a pas rendu une cassette et à quel moment en fait si tu rends pas une cassette vidéo tu te fais arrêter?
I need to make a note before I start the dissection. They look quite shallow. Someone must have inflicted these with
C'est le cas le plus long
tool.
de tous les cas qu'on a fait jusqu'à présent, c'est lui, il a le plus de choses à faire et pourtant il a pas de tête.
Maybe something chased that alligator away before it bit down properly? You can see that the tool used was sharp and smooth. So, what if it was in the hands of an unskilled person? This wound turned out to be more troublesome than I thought it would be. Torn tissue, lacerations, bite wounds.
Morceau de tissu arraché dévoilant l'os. clairement.
I need to verify how deep these
Moi,
wounds
pour moi,
go.
il a été ligoté
If they puncture
et
the
décapité par le
organs, hemorrhaging
cartel
could have occurred.
après avoir été poignardé et le cadavre. Et comment l'alligator essaie de le bouffer après.
Alligators rarely kill humans. For obvious reasons, I record decapitation as the cause of death.
Ouais.
The abdominal and genital area are supplied with plenty of blood. If the penis was bitten off while he was alive, Evans could have bled to death.
Oui, on lui a arraché son pénis, c'est sûr qu'il est mort. Hein.
Perfect breeding ground for larvae.
Moi, c'est mon point faible. Tu m'arraches mon pénis, je meurs.
The deceased doesn't care about it.
Ça cherche même pas. Ça, c'est le point faible, tu vois, genre. Tu tires une balle dans le pénis, pouf, je suis mort. C'est comme un cœur. Hein.
Fat of the deceased. I'm adding a heart attack to the list. Maybe Evans didn't live long enough to experience what happened to him. Time for internal analysis.
Allez, c'est parti.
First of all, I'll try to determine whether death occurred before the decapitation.
On fait pas de Y là.
I'll open the deceased's chest. I cut deep, in a straight line, avoiding the navel.
Pourquoi on fait pas en... Oh. Pourquoi on fait pas en Y? Mais toujours éviter le
I see a
bouclier.
lot of fat tissue under the skin.
Avec la main libre à battre le pan de peau. Ouf, bah il est un peu gros le monsieur, forcément.
When I remove the ribs, I expect to see even more fat on the organs. Correct. High levels of internal fat. Organ size above average due to obesity. I move on to the lung analysis. The deceased smoked cigarettes.
Forcément.
More important.
Oh.
And this is the culprit.
Ouh.
Well, it didn't look like the holes were that deep. Such hemorrhage could have been caused by hitting the chest with a blunt object, or a puncture directly affecting the organ.
Ouais,
They
donc il a
appear to be
été
at different
poignardé,
depths.
c'est traversé, ça a
The
touché le poumon.
cross-section is uneven. Open pneumothorax should be added to this.
Le coup a déçu 7 coups d'un outil tranchant qui ont pénétré dans la poitrine. 6 d'entre eux ont sectionné les tissus pulmonaires,
Obstructive
provoquant
shock.
des dégâts engageant la pronostic vitale.
I wonder what the heart looks like then.
Il est tout blanc, c'est bizarre, non?
The organ is enlarged with very clear, light yellow traces of steatosis
La
on the surface.
stéatose.
No signs of heart attack.
Mais il est touché là. Le cœur a été touché.
But similarly to the lungs, there is a trace of puncture with a sharp object. In pneumothorax, the heart rate increases. In the event of such a wound, this would mean bleeding out faster and more.
Le sang sort par ici en vrai.
A
D'accord.
sudden increase in the amount of fluid in the pericardium
C'est incroyable, hein.
could lead to
C'est donc comme ça la graisse dans le corps. Bah ouais, c'est sur la peau en vrai.
Life-threatening condition.
Après il y a aussi de la graisse à l'intérieur des tripes aussi. Et là c'est plus grave. Un cœur bien gras. Ouais, voilà, il y a des tissus gras sur le cœur et c'est ça qui va empêcher le cœur de battre correctement. Vous voyez, tout ça là, tout le truc blanc là, c'est la graisse qui recouvre le cœur. Et le cœur après il a plus de mal en fait.
Evans, however, is remarkably clean, considering this turn of events. This all looks quite disturbing. I wonder if I'll find anything on the liver. The organ is fatty and enlarged. The beginnings of cirrhosis are obvious. Well, that's it.
Ah. C'est quoi ça?
This time, nothing to write home about.
La cirrhose ça? Stade précoce de la maladie sans impact sur la mort du défunt.
So, I proceed to carefully remove the stomach. Like most other organs, it is fatty and clearly enlarged.
Il est gras et
Also
dilaté
swollen,
et boursouflé.
partially due to gases, but mainly due to the deceased's lifestyle. I take
D'accord.
the organ to the cutting board. The outside is intact. I'm going to check the contents.
Très bien. J'espère que j'ai pas trouvé d'autres bagues à l'intérieur parce que ce serait un peu gênant. On en apprend des choses, ouais.
It sounds like there's an unusually large amount of undigested and now rotten stomach contents inside.
Oh. Et de la nourriture pourrie à l'intérieur de son corps. Et ce couteau-là qui est jamais nettoyé, il est toujours bloody en fait, hein. Ah.
Blood. Evans had to swallow it due to his injuries. which means he was still alive when he was brutally wounded in the chest.
Il est encore vivant, il a dû respirer, il a avalé son sang, d'accord. Et il a de la nourriture, il venait de manger. D'accord. Estomac dilaté sans lésion externe, paroi de l'estomac intacte, pas de traces d'hémorragie dans l'organe. Les caillots de sang non digérés dans le contenu de l'estomac qui ont sûrement circulé via la partie supérieure du système digestif.
Only the trachea left to be examined. Surprisingly, it's not damaged by the decapitation. I move on to cutting it open.
J'aime bien qu'il ouvre, en fait, qu'il ouvre le truc même s'il n'y a pas besoin.
Okay. I carefully cut and...
Et il y a
Blood,
du sang.
just as I expected. Evans not only swallowed it, but also choked on it.
Donc il a été décapité post-mortem.
Looks like I can wrap this up.
Du coup, je peux...
Let me tie this together.
Dissection, pas de blessure ni traumatisme mécanique. La dissection de la trachée a révélé des dépôts de sang et des caillots.
After he was abducted, stripped
Il a été
and
kidnappé.
tied up, he was dealt several penetrating blows to the chest. Then his head was cut off. Evans was deprived of his genitals, and the body served as an easy meal for the animals.
Ok. Bon, maintenant, après, le reste, c'est le travail du l'enquêteur. Hein. Ah, il faut que je signe. C'est un meurtre. C'est l'exsanguination qui l'a tué?
Even though there are a lot of injuries on the body that could cause death, it was the decapitation that ended Evan's life. The animal bites in the limbs occurred after death,
D'accord.
so there's no reason to treat these as the cause of death. The damage to the lungs and heart must have led to severe hemorrhaging, so there's
D'accord.
no doubt that Evans was choking in bloody convulsions. But it didn't last too long.
Ouais, donc,
which I
ils l'ont
conclude from a
poignardé,
small
le mec
amount
s'est
of
étouffé avec son
blood in
sang
the
et ils l'ont
stomach and
décapité,
trachea.
ce
I
qui l'a
never
tué.
thought I'd ever wish someone to have a heart attack. But in this case, it would have been better for him. In
J'avoue.
some way, it can be said with certainty that James Evans was murdered. Oh well. I need to stitch this poor guy back up. It's really bothering me. Something's not right here.
Hein?
Because even now, the organs are relatively clean. The
Ouais.
skin around wounds also. It's like... someone...
Quelqu'un lui a
pumped it
pompé le
out.
sang.
Oh, Christ. I don't know. It's kind of weird.
D'accord. Donc, il a l'impression que quelqu'un a pompé son sang et c'est pour ça qu'il a l'air propre, entre guillemets. Parce qu'apparemment, ça devrait être pire.
I'll leave these questions for the police to solve.
Limite, j'ai vraiment envie de dire que c'est un rapport avec Alan Wake, hein.
I get to head home. It's a fucked up thing. I'll hold off taking long walks in the forest for the near future.
Ouais.
I have a feeling that it won't end with just one body.
On n'ira plus jamais en balade en forêt. Ah, ça c'est sûr, hein. Pourquoi je ferais ça de toute façon? Hey, monsieur Henry, machin!
Good night, Mr. Ridley. The body is ready to be picked up.
Sure. Good night.
Good night!
I think it's the first time in a long time that I finished work at a decent hour.
J'avoue, il fait jour encore
I'll get
presque.
home and... What? I can't believe what I'm seeing.
Qu'est-ce qu'on voit?
Oh, come on.
Ah!
Fuck! When did I get a flat tire? What the fuck? Fuck. I'm going to Ridley's. Maybe he saw something.
Ok, merde, quelqu'un a percé mes pneus! Non mais ça c'est du harcèlement là, à ce niveau-là.
Ridley, do you know what happened to my car?
What happened to your car?
All the tires are fucking flat!
Well, it happens. Don't you have a spare in the trunk?
Spare ones in the trunk. No one carries 4 fucking extra tires. In the trunk!
Jesus, Handman, calm down. I'll call you a taxi.
Calm down.
That's a bit of an exaggeration, don't you think? Have you seen anyone around here? Someone strange? Suspicious?
Except you? No.
Haha, funny. I don't find all these jokes amusing, you know.
What jokes? Hammond, what's wrong with you? It's just tires.
Such things are not a coincidence. What's wrong with me? Things keep happening. Last week, and now this?
Just go wait for the taxi, okay? Fresh air would do you good. Neither you nor I will do anything about it now.
Neither you nor I will do anything? What have you been doing all day? Surely something like this can't just be overlooked.
Maybe you should go outside and cool down. I'm calling a taxi.
Cool town.
En vrai, je serais un peu énervé aussi envers le gardien. Il fait vraiment pas son job.
I just want to sleep.
Imagine, attends, il était content de pouvoir rentrer chez lui tôt et finalement, il n'y arrive pas. Chapitre 4, les amis.
It would be easier just to move in and live here. I doubt I'll get reimbursed for the cab.
Huh?
What? Ah ça, la poubelle?
Hello?
Attends, j'ai vu quelqu'un là. Je l'ai vu, regardez. Je l'ai vu s'enfuir au fond là-bas. Je suis jamais allé là en vrai. Il y a des champignons qui ont poussé ici. Ah, on peut pas aller là, il a sauté par derrière. Oh là là. Il y avait littéralement quelqu'un qui nous regardait ici. Je l'ai vu. Non, je vais m'arrêter là. Je vais juste voir ce qu'il y a à l'intérieur. Bon, mais Monsieur Ridley, il a intérêt de faire son job cette fois-ci, hein.
Damn. It's already late in the evening.
Là, il fait déjà
Good
nuit.
evening. Any news for me?
Hmm?
About my car? You know, the flat tires?
No.
No, what? Have you checked the cameras? Anything?
Handman, I cut my teeth working in prison. I know what to do.
What?
There were no strangers hanging around.
Je viens d'en voir un, là.
Ran over something.
What?
All the tires?
Why, possibly, you can congratulate yourself.
Waouh.
Christ.
You should try sleeping more. You've been
Mais ça,
kind
j'avoue.
out of it lately.
That's the first bit of sense you've made all evening.
Good. The body is expected to be ready for pickup tonight, along with your lecture.
What? What? No, what?
You still pontificating? Best hurry, don't you think?
Oh bordel, faut que je fasse un cours.
Ah, fuck me. I don't have the strength for this today. Have I taken my pills today? Did I
Je crois
take
pas.
it? Or...
En fait, mon problème avec lui, c'est que il laisse ses pilules ici. Alors que ça n'a pas de sens, tu vois.
I need to
Ça n'a pas de sens,
focus.
ça n'a pas de sens qu'il laisse ses pilules à la ici, tu vois.
I don't have much time.
Je n'ai pas beaucoup de temps, il a dit. Genre, pourquoi je peux... Attendez, il y a quoi ici? Il y a rien, c'est juste un peigne. Pourquoi il y a un peigne, là? Oui, en fait, c'est un peu bizarre, le...
Okay, okay. One by one, Jack. Take it easy. Oh. I'm burning
Whoa!
issue indeed.
C'est
Then
un
I'll
dossier
move on to the
brûlant, ouais.
body. Ah, shit.
Le
The
cours.
lecture. I almost forgot.
Ouais, faut aller
I'm
prendre la
handing the
caméra. Ouais.
camcorder. This is making me nervous.
Ah, ça va être un cas très brûlant, les amis, pour le prochain épisode. J'espère que vous avez apprécié suivre cette aventure lugubre et sordide en ma compagnie. N'hésitez pas à laisser un pouce bleu si ça vous plaît et à revenir sur la chaîne pour voir la suite. Abonnez-vous à la chaîne pour ne rien rater et rendez-vous sur twitch.tv/Seros où j'enregistre toutes ces vidéos en live. Je vous fais des gros bisous. Seros, out.